In the heart of Lesotho, where tradition meets modernity, there is a voice that echoes the soul of a people. This is the story of Mahlanya, a beacon in the world of FAMO music. Known for this distinctive Seagi sound, FAMO tells stories of the Basotho people. Mahlanya's journey began in 2007, mentored by the legendary Ntate Rants'o. Mahlanya's talent flourished, leading him to produce the debut solo album in 2009, Labenya La Khaola Mano 1. FAMO, or accordion music, is more than just a genre for Mahlanya. It's a passion, a lifeline to his heritage. With a discography that includes albums like Labenya La Khaola ikhethang, har'a, Mahlanya has become a cornerstone of the FAMO genre. Mahlanya is not just a musician, he's a community leader. He calls on Basotho to embrace their indigenous language with pride and unity. Follow Mahlanya Music for exclusive content, live shows, and updates. Subscribe now and stay connected with Mahlanya Music for the best in FAMO and more.